Hey everyone, in this problem we have a battery with an EMF of 9 volts carrying a current of 117 milliamps while attached to a load of 72 ohms. We're asked to determine the internal resistance of the battery. And the fact that it mentions internal resistance is important. So Ohm's law tells us that a potential difference, V, is equal to I, the current, multiplied by the circuit's resistance. For us, however, that resistance is coming from two different sources in series. So there's the resistance from the actual resistor, which I'm going to call capital R. And then adding on to that, there's also the internal resistance of the battery, which I'm going to call small r. And close the parentheses. So we want to solve for the internal resistance. So I'm going to algebraically rewrite this equation to solve for small r. So first, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by I. So you end up with big R plus small r equals the potential difference, delta V, divided by I. And then to solve for small r, we subtract big R from both sides of the equation. So small r is equal to delta V over I minus big R. So now all that's left to do is plug the variables given to us into the problem. So for delta V, that's going to be the EMF of the circuit, which is 9 volts. Then divided by the current, which is 117 milliamps. So to convert that into just amperes to get our units consistent, that's 117 times 10 to the power of negative 3 amps. And then minus the load, which is 72 ohms. It's saying load, that's basically referring to the resistance of what's in the circuit. So minus 72.0 omega. And if you put that into your calculator, then you find that this gives us an internal resistance of about 4.92 ohms. And that's the internal resistance of the battery. And that's it for this problem. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing, as that'll help me out in making more videos like this. And if you have a question, leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to help you out as best as I can. If you have a request for a future video, or you just like to hang out, my Discord server and my Twitch page are both linked in the description below, so check those out if you'd like. But that's all for now. I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye-bye.